Hi, thank you so much for coming to the North Carolina Aquarium over in Pine Knoll Shores and joining us at our Forest Fairy Day. I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute little gnome socks. I wanted to inform you on where you can buy your supplies and also what you will need. You can purchase your supplies at any craft store or any store that is $1 and under. What you will need is a bag of rice, 1 sock, 2 rubber bands, but one is a normal size and one is a small size. You will need a floral cylinder tower like this, 1 fun sock of your choice. This is a microfiber mop head, scissors, and a hot glue gun. First step to your gnome making sock is you're going to want to take your white long sock, and I've made it easier. I put it in a cup. This way I don't spill it. I'm going to pour my rice into the cup. I'm going to smush it down a little bit. I do have a little bit more rice, but you're going to put the whole bag of rice in the sock. The fatter the gnome, the cuter he is. Squishing him down a little bit to make him nice and plump, or she nice and plump. Here we go. Second step is you're going to take your floral cone. You're going to open up your sock. You're going to put your floral cone right inside, and this is going to give him that pointy shape on top. And you're going to want to squish him down a little bit just to get a really good look to him and how you want it to look. Squish it down, and that's where you're going to take your little rubber band and you're going to just cap off the end of the sock, just like that. The next step you're going to do is you're going to create his nose, and this is the best part. You take your regular rubber band, you're going to lay your gnome down, and you're going to start to make a bubble. And you're going to take your rubber band and you're going to wrap it around a couple of times to give him the nose definition. Okay, we are going to apply his beard. This is where you're going to want to plug in your hot glue gun. You're going to take your microfiber and you're going to want to really map out how you want his beard and how long you want it to go. So I'm going to do it on an angle. Just cut straight across. Could be a little messy. And then you're going to want to lay your gnome down and now start creating the look around the nose. When you feel like you've gotten a good look and you don't need to trim off any of the microfiber, you can use your hot glue gun and start applying it to all the outsides and the insides of the microfiber. Now it's time to apply his sock. Open it up and just fold it right over. You're going to want to really pull it down some. You're going to also want to pull it down around the nose area and the beard. Now to secure it, I would recommend hot gluing the sock, the black sock to the white sock, so this way it stays in place. This will help to make him look super real. Just takes a little bit of glue, and that he should stay in place. So this is just a gnome sock, and then you can start decorating it however you want. I love craft stores and like to really add some fun decorative looks to my gnomes. So if you just take some raffia, tie it around, and because you are sea serpent and fairies today, I am putting some greenery also around him or her and tying it up. And then I'm going to take the top of his little hat and make him a little pom-pom, just to make it extra special. I've also bought a cute little button just for some extra decor. Gonna hot glue that right onto him. And now we have a fashionable gnome right here. Enjoy.